Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the miracles of Prophet Muhammad. What's really fascinating is how many of these miracles mentioned in the Quran over modern science. We're talking about things like the splitting of the moon, the preservation of Pharaoh's body, even the expansion of the universe, concepts that science is only just beginning to fully grasp. It makes you wonder, how could a text from the 7th century contain such accurate insights into the workings of our universe? Over the next few minutes we'll be exploring 7 of these incredible miracles, looking at the verses in the Quran, and diving deep into the scientific evidence that supports them. You won't want to miss this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Let's kick things off with a real head-scratcher: the splitting of the moon. The Quran vividly describes this event, and throughout history it's been a topic of both fascination and skepticism. Some scientists theorize that there could have been a time when powerful geological forces deep within the moon caused it to split apart, only to fuse back together over time. Could a real event, witnessed by people centuries ago, have been interpreted through the lens of their understanding and passed down as a miracle? What's really interesting is that there are accounts of this event from various cultures and traditions around the world, and that's what I love about science. It's all about exploring the unknown, even if it challenges our current understanding of the universe. Next up, we're taking a journey back in time to ancient Egypt and the story of Pharaoh. But what's truly remarkable is what the Quran says about Pharaoh's body being preserved as a sign for future generations. Now fast forward to the 19th century and the discovery of mummified remains in Egypt. Archaeologists were astounded by the level of preservation, with some bodies remaining remarkably intact after thousands of years. This isn't just a case of a lucky guess, it speaks to a level of knowledge that was simply not available through conventional means in the 7th century. It begs the question, how could a text revealed in the deserts of Arabia contain such accurate details about ancient Egyptian burial practices? It's a question that continues to fascinate historians and archaeologists. Now, let's shift gears from ancient history to the cutting edge of astrophysics. We're talking about the expansion of the universe, a concept that has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. But here's the thing, the Quran mentioned the universe's expansion centuries ago. Think about it. How could a 7th century text, revealed at a time when the prevailing view of the universe was geocentric, meaning Earth was considered the center of everything, contain such an accurate description of a phenomenon that would only be confirmed by science centuries later? It's as if the Quran is giving us a glimpse into the very fabric of space-time. This concept of an expanding universe challenges our very notion of a finite cosmos, pushing us to consider the vastness and wonder of creation. From the vastness of space, let's zoom into the incredible complexity of the human body, specifically the very beginning of our existence, embryonic development. The Quran describes this process in astonishing detail, outlining the different stages of development with an accuracy that's simply remarkable. It talks about the embryo going through phases where it resembles a clinging clot, a chewed-like substance, even a piece of flesh. Now keep in mind that this was revealed centuries before the invention of microscopes, ultrasounds, all the tools we take for granted today that allow us to peer into the womb and witness this miracle of life unfolding. The Quran's description of embryonic development is so precise that it's even used by some medical professionals to teach students about the different stages of pregnancy. Think about it. The Quran isn't just a religious text. It's also a profound source of scientific knowledge, offering insights into the very building blocks of life itself. Let's dive into the depths of our oceans, a realm that's both mysterious and mesmerizing, but beneath the surface lies a delicate balance, a separation of different types of water, salt water and fresh water. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about that? Well, the Quran specifically mentions this barrier between salt and fresh water, a phenomenon that was only scientifically confirmed in the 20th century with advancements in oceanography. Think about it. For centuries, people believed that the oceans were just one big, homogeneous body of salt water. But the Quran describes a different reality, one where these distinct bodies of water exist side by side, separated by an invisible barrier. The Quran's accurate description of this phenomenon, centuries before modern science could confirm it, speaks to its divine inspiration. Look up. What do you see? Just an empty sky? Think again. We're constantly bombarded by harmful radiation from the sun, cosmic rays from deep space, even space debris hurtling towards Earth at incredible speeds. But thankfully, we have a protector, a shield in the sky, our atmosphere. This invisible layer of gases acts like a giant force field, absorbing and deflecting these threats, allowing life to flourish on our planet. Now the Quran explicitly mentions the protective nature of the atmosphere, describing it as a roof or a canopy that shields us from harm. It's as if the Quran is giving us a behind-the-scenes look at how our planet is designed for life, highlighting the intricate systems that keep us safe and sound. Let's talk about mountains. We see them as majestic peaks, towering symbols of strength and permanence. But the Quran gives us a different perspective, describing mountains as pegs that anchor the Earth's crust. The Quran's description of mountains as pegs is a spot-on analogy for how these massive landforms act as stabilizers, preventing the Earth's crust from buckling and shaking too violently. Now keep in mind that plate tectonics, the science that explains how the Earth's crust moves, wasn't developed until the 20th century. It's as if the Quran is giving us a glimpse into the hidden architecture of our planet, revealing the intricate mechanisms that keep it stable and habitable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We've only just scratched the surface of the many scientific miracles mentioned in the Quran. The Quran's ability to weave together spiritual guidance and scientific insights is a testament to its divine origin. It's a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge, whether scientific or spiritual, is a path that can lead us closer to truth and understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.